Video? Yeah, it's video.
What's up, people? What's
Hi.
up, party people? This is Geraldine. Saurus from Meraki.
Yes.
Interior design, ID. And we're checking out on progress of this Mesquite house we purchased. Maybe.
How long have we had it now?
Well, we've had it for maybe
Maybe a month and a half, 2 months.
yeah, something like that. It was seller had a lease back for a little bit,
Yeah.
so we didn't take possession right away. And this house was in horrendous
It was a big
status.
hoarder house.
Yeah, big hoarder house. So it took a week just cleaning everything up. Multiple
weeks.
dumpsters, but she's looking real good.
It took like 2 weeks to clean out the exterior because it was full of like bushes and ivy and all that type of stuff.
In the backyard too. Yeah. But she's coming along good. Progress is looking really good inside. It's a nice neighborhood. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, right? Just around 1,500 square foot, I think. So we're just gonna take a peek inside real quick. Guys are working, so we don't want to get on the way. And then we'll be out of here. What'd you say?
Look at this. Are we gonna put a picture window here, right?
Yeah, picture frame window over here. All new windows. Foundation is already done.
We're gonna paint the exterior.
HVAC is gonna be done this week.
And this is the interior, which we've already done a whole bunch of work on.
Was there a wall right here before?
Yeah. There was a big wall right here, and then there was a wall going this way. So
Okay.
this was like a hallway. And then
So she's opened up quite a bit.
we opened all of this up.
This is a garage conversion. We're just gonna keep it.
There was a little room right here where the attic used to be, and the washer and dryer.
They were using it as a laundry, right?
And now we created this little space
That's new.
here for your washer and dryer now. And we also made the pantry right next to it. So now you'll have a full walk-in pantry.
There you go.
And then the kitchen, there's gonna be a room for the countertop on both sides. So this will be your peninsula, and then this will be your breakfast nook. So you'll be able to eat here and then eat here.
Nice. Fireplace is staying there, right? We're just gonna paint the brick.
Yeah, cute little dining area, a nice little table on here.
This looks really nice, real open.
Very open, right?
The house, do you know the configuration yet, or no?
Refrigerator, sink, washer and dryer, upper cabinets.
Washer and dryer? Dishwasher?
Dishwasher. This is gonna be a vent hood right here. Your stove, cabinets on your lowers,
Okay,
cabinets, peninsula island.
beautiful.
Cabinets right here too, uppers and lowers. So backsplash is gonna go all throughout here.
Nice. We're getting rid of this. We're doing a French door.
And then over here on this side, this is where we're gonna add our little wine cooler, little countertop with also quartz, shelvings. So this will be kind of like your little, bar area.
Nice. Kind of like how we did at White.
How we
in
did it
McKinney,
at
right?
the McKinney house, yeah.
Yep. Beautiful.
And what do I have here? Are these my tiles?
The backsplash?
Look at this.
Backsplash?
Beautiful. That's for the master floor. And what's this here? Ooh, beautiful. Look at this thing.
Floor tile?
This is for the floor and the shower accents for the guests.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Pretty. I get so excited with these things. You?
Looks good. Me too.
You too?
Oh, yeah.
And then what's this one here? This is for the backsplash for the kitchen.
Right?
Yeah, went really subtle for this house.
Sounds
I'm
good.
glad. I'm super excited that the stuff is
All
here.
new windows have been ordered. New front
They
door.
have everything they need now.
Yeah.
What's in here?
All right. Well, let me just finish over here so the guys can come back and get at it. It's pretty straightforward. 3 bedrooms over here. New furnace going in. We're doing a gas delete, so we're just gonna go all electrical. We also moved the attic access from there to over here. And this is the master.
Double closet.
Yeah, all the electrical is done. This is the master. It's gonna be a walk-in shower in the master, right?
Yeah.
And then that's the gas bath over there. We'll keep the tub. And then maybe we can just peek the yard from here.
We tore down 2 sheds that were.
Yeah, it used to be 2 sheds over there and then a bunch of crap over here. We're doing a pergola. All new fence. So she'll look real good. Look real nice. All the trash hopefully will be picked up this week. But then, yeah, that's it.
That's it, that's all, folks.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's,
All right, guys.
we didn't show you guys what it looked like before because, I mean,
We
this
do
house
have
was- do
we do have some. Michael took those videos. We only came here afterwards.
Yeah, we
We're
did.
smart,
Yeah.
strategic. But I'll share the video before. It's
Yeah.
great, but you can see crap everywhere. But anyway, she's looking good.
Oh yeah, it's looking really good. It's
Yeah.
gonna be an amazing property.
Yeah, if you have a fixer upper, send it our way. We're always looking to purchase. And then if you have any capital that you're like to invest, hit me up. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.